Well, welcome to another edition of What's in the Google Box. Not really. We're going to check out the latest release from Google, which is the Pixel 9 Pro, as opposed to the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which we had a look at not long ago at all. So, here it is. The box is really just for show and tell. I'm going to get the box out of the way. Trying to knock things out of the way. There we go. Here we go. Pixel 9 Pro. And of course they've thrown in one of the cases to go with it. So what we're going to do is just going to have a quick unboxing of this. There should be no surprises here because the Pixel 9 Pro is pretty much exactly the Pixel 9 Pro XL, but smaller with a couple of very minor differences. So let's not worry about the cover for the moment, protective case, and let's just get in and open up this baby. I've done this a few times now, so I should be able to be more efficient in my box opening. Again, I like how they've done the recyclable or the recycled materials boxes, but I want to keep my boxes. Okay. The usual USB cables, etc. These side labels off. I'm trying to do this nicely, but I will just rip it off. There we go. This is obviously the white one. I will power it on. But I guess what we really need to do is pop it next to the XL. Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL. So obviously a bit of a size difference there. But you'll see the camera system's the same. Might just give mine a little bit of a wipe because it's been in the case. They are the same thickness, obviously a slightly different weight. The battery capacity in the Pixel 9 Pro is a little bit smaller. Of course, it's a slightly smaller phone. And you'll find that the charging rate is different on the Pixel 9 Pro as opposed to the Pixel 9 Pro XL. I think it's 27 watt charging versus 37 watt charging for the XL. And I mean, if you really want to then compare all of the new Pixel 9 Pro lineup, then of course we have the Fold, which, you know, I don't think it's really fair to compare them because you either want a massive screen or you don't want a massive screen or multiple screens. I feel like this serves a completely different purpose. So we'll leave the two Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL out. We'll pop this one in its case. All right, looks like we got the white Pixel 9 Pro with the Obsidian case. There it is. Like I said, the differences are minimal. It's really all about size. You want a powerful phone, but maybe not the screen size that you're getting in the XL, then the Pixel 9 Pro is definitely the way to go. Again, slightly smaller battery capacity, which is fine because it's a smaller device. Slightly different charging rate. 27 watts versus I think it's 37 watts. But in terms of features, it's all the same. In fact, these two phones both are available in all the same color schemes. So there's 4 different color schemes, and for the XL or just the Pixel 9 Pro. But everything else in terms of features is the same. Especially, and I think the main feature is with these phones is this camera system, because you're getting they've got that great selfie capacity, the high resolution front-facing camera now, and that's all in both of these devices. They are available in all the same capacity, 16 gig RAM. They come from 128 gig through to 1 terabyte. Of course, the Google Tensor G4 chip is in there. Really, everything is the same. And of course, with the latest update to Pixel devices that come through last week, there's been a swag of new features, including the much promised audio cleanup for video. And I actually like their security features, where it knows if someone basically grabs your phone and starts running away with it, and it'll basically lock the phone for you if that happens. So that's cool as well. Obviously, I've got to set this one up still, but that's it. The Pixel 9 Pro versus the Pixel 9 Pro XL.